Hello, I'm Randy Graber, Senior Director of Product Development for Highland Ridge RV, and today we're going to show you this new 2023 model. It's a 373 model. We start up front here. All of our caps are painted. They're not gel coated, so you're not going to fade in the sun with this cap like our competitors do. Another exclusive thing too that we do is we do the level lock, which is a stabilization system along with the auto level 6-point auto level on the coach. You come with 30-pound or 20-pound bottles. These are 3 20-pound bottles rather than 2 30s. That way you can exchange them at a convenience store. Very easy to do and easier to handle. They're not so heavy. They also have pass-through storage here, and then we'll take you to the back where we have a lot more. Here is our lippert step, which is a solid folding step. And the nice features about the new improved step is the spring-loaded adjustable pins for the legs. You don't have to pull a pin out and worry about losing your pin. And your top tread is about 30% deeper, so you got a solid step there when you're coming in and out of the coach. Nice assist grab handle and friction hinge on the door, so you don't need to have a latch to hold that back. Another nice feature in case of emergency, if you're tight, parked too tight to someone else or in a storage area, if you can't get the step out, there are 2 spring-loaded pins on the step that you can release right here, and you can take the step completely out if you have emergency to get inside the coach. As we move back here, we got 2 full awnings on the coach, and axle system. Here's Dexter axles, 7,000-pound axles. And we've used on our leaf springs and bolts, we're using brass bushings rather than plastic bushings on all of our axle system here. Also wet bolts, so you can grease the bolts on your axle system. It's got the Easy Flex torsion arm in the middle for a smooth ride. As we move back here, this has got tremendous storage. Your bathroom and bedroom are elevated in the rear, so the whole rear of this coach is pass-through storage in the rear. As we move back here too, you got a quick connect back here for a barbecue grill, and this has got an outside kitchen strut on your door, and this has got the new griddle, which is a 23-inch griddle. We've had a 17, now we went to a 23-inch griddle with self-locking drawer guides, which is very nice. We've got a patented gas valve here. If the gas valve's up, gas is on, you can't accidentally slide this drawer in with the gas on. And gas valve off, gas valve's down, you can slide the drawer in. You don't have to crawl underneath to try to hook up a quick connect hose. Very convenient. And it also comes with the big 4-cubic refrigerator too in the outside kitchen. And now that we've got solar prep too, you can this refrigerator will be tied into the solar system with the 110 receps connected to the inverter, and that inverter will also connect you to 2 receps in the bedroom. If you got a CPAP machine, it'll connect the TVs in the living room and the bedroom, connect to the refrigerator in the kitchen and the outside refrigerator too. With that solar prep, and you can get that with 2 200-watt solar panels if you so desire. As we move around the back, you can see the outside pass-through storage here in the rear. You got a 2-inch receiver, accessory hitch. Now we've also added towing, so you can tow up to 3,000 pounds with 300-pound hitch weight. It's got the four-way plug back here for your lights on your trailer. Some other features on our coach is our roof. It's a limited lifetime warranty on a roof. It's a PVC roof versus a TPO or a rubber roof. It's going to stay cooler. If you put a heat gun on that roof, it's going to be about the same temperature as the outside temperature. You put it on a TPO or rubber roof, it's going to be 20 to 30 degrees warmer, which equates to the interior. You're going to have a much cooler unit inside with that reflective PVC roof. Plus it's more puncture and tear resistant, and like I say, it's limited lifetime warranty on that roof. The other thing we do also is we triple seal our exterior corners, and we triple seal our slide out openings also with double flaps and a dam between the double flaps on all of our slide outs. Now I'll take you inside and show you the interior. Okay, now we're inside our 373 model. This has got a front living room, mid kitchen, and then an elevated bedroom and bathroom in the rear. Starting in the kitchen here, new for 223 is our slide fascia. We went to a farmhouse white slide fascia to match our farmhouse white kitchen cabinets. We went to black fixtures on the kitchen faucets, the bathroom faucets, shower walls, or shower doors, and so forth. In the kitchen, we also have our 21 cubic refrigerator with ice maker, and our water line is also kept inside the coach, out of the elements. So if it's below 32, you're not going to worry about it freezing up like our competitors do not run their water line inside the coach. We also have the largest oven in the industry. This is a 3.75 cubic oven with double racks and 4-burner top also. And above, it comes with the 30-inch OTR convection microwave above, easy to reach, eye level, very convenient. Also in the kitchen area, you're going to have the half bath here on the lower level for company, and easy access there without going through the bedroom. In the kitchen also we have our dinette slide, which is a flush floor slide. This comes with all of our windows have day and night shades on the windows. The dinette, it comes with extension leaf, also comes with storage below the tabletop. Our dinette chairs are basically 4 inches wider than a normal RV dinette chair, and they also have a flip-up seat for extra seating at the dinette, or you can option a 2 wood folding chairs if you want a traditional 4-chair setup. There, another thing we've always done for years is put linoleum in our flush floor slides. This is something that a lot of our competitors have been copying lately too, but it makes it a lot more RV friendly for cleaning and keeping the dirt easy to maintain. As we go forward, we'll go up into the living area, and up here you've got the theater seating facing your TV, a 50-inch TV. Our TVs this year are now the Connects TV, and these are all smart TVs. We have a new stereo system, which is a JBL stereo system sound bar below the TV, with great sound inside the coach or outside the coach. Also, you have the 4G Wi-Fi prep with the optional router, and also this year we have the voice activation on the big fifth wheels, where you can control your lighting and your heat and your AC just by voice activation also. So our trifold sofas up here in the living room, we have 2 opposing trifold sofas which both make full-size beds up here, so it gives you a 4-sleeper up here in the living room. You're going to have a total of 6-sleeper in this coach. And you've also got linoleum on your main floor, no carpet on any of the floors. We're now in the elevated bedroom and bathroom in the rear. This comes standard with a queen bed, but we also option the king bed. This has got the king 72 by 80 king bed here in this coach, and deeper bed slide too, so it gives you a lot of room at the foot of the bed. Got nice storage here, shelving, closets, drawers, and a wardrobe closet here also in the bedroom. And these hangers hang perpendicular. They don't hang parallel with the coach, so you can access your clothes. I notice competitors don't bring their wardrobe deep enough to access hangers perpendicular in the coach. Also, you have a washer dryer closet, or more storage for clothes, stackable if you want, or a combo below with storage above in the unit here. And you also have a nice big 40-inch shower, 1-piece shower with a seat, a foot ledge, and also a full ledge across the back for your soaps and shampoos and so forth. Another nice feature about this coach is the double lav sinks in the bathroom. Nice big bathroom. And of course you've got your porcelain stool, big seat, big lid, can also be exchanged to a residential seat top also. Thank you for watching the update videos on the 2023 models. If you need more information, contact your Highland Ridge dealer or go to our website. Thank you.